Alright, let's talk money. Saving $10,000 in a year might sound wild, especially in America where life feels like one endless subscription service. But I'm here to show you it's totally possible, even if you're starting from scratch. And it's not about skipping every single latte. Step 1. Know your number. 10 grand is about $833 a month, or roughly $27 a day. Seeing it broken down like that? Not so scary. The trick is making a plan that fits your life, not someone else's highlight reel. So first, I track every dollar. Seriously, every dollar. You can use an app, a sticky note, whatever works. When you see where your cash is leaking, random Venmo splits, those $5 energy drinks, it's hard not to plug the holes. Next, the big stuff. Rent, car, food. Saving on these moves the needle way more than coupon clipping. I got a roommate. I cooked at home. I even tried no-spend weekends. Turns out board games and homemade popcorn are weirdly fun. Side hustles are the secret sauce. I drove for ride shares, flipped stuff online, did some freelance gigs. Even an extra $100 a week stacks up fast. Over a year, that's $5,200 alone. You don't need to go full hustle culture, just pick one thing and get it rolling. Here's where it gets real: automate your savings. The minute my paycheck hit, I set it to auto-transfer $200 right into a high-yield savings account. Out of sight, out of mind. Suddenly, I was living off what was left, not what I should save. Now, I'm not gonna lie. There were weeks when it felt pointless. Emergencies popped up, life got expensive, and sometimes I wanted to throw in the towel, but I kept coming back to my why. For me, it was freedom, the feeling of knowing I could handle whatever came my way. And you know what? Little by little, the numbers grew. I celebrated small wins. A month with no takeout, a random bonus, a killer thrift store flip. By the end of the year, I realized I'd not only hit $10,000, but I'd built habits that stuck. So if you're watching and thinking, there's no way I could do that, trust me, I've been there. You don't need a perfect plan, you just need to start. Track your money, make a few tweaks, automate what you can, and keep at it. Saving $10,000 in a year in America? It's not easy, but it's way more possible than you think. Give it a shot, your future self will thank you.